But in terms of also the stand as a whole, I think it's a really good layout. I love the TV right in the middle to draw people's attention to, and we can show people exactly what we're doing. And also just generally the way that things are laid out, there's a lot of space for storing equipment and all the logistics as well. So I think it just looks really nice, and we've got so much good engagement. I think our members are really enjoying coming over to the stand to speak to us as well. So part of that is being visible and letting them know that we're there. And this is a huge opportunity for us with this fantastic stand that we've got, for people to see that we're here and come over, ask questions, connect with us, or just say hi and introduce themselves. So many of our members have actually come over and said, can I have a photo in front of the stand? So it's definitely something that people have noticed. I think it's really adding to the overall experience and sort of their interpretation of AAT and seeing us, the visibility, I guess, that we're having at the event, which is fantastic. We last year had a bit of a smaller stand, but it was also the layout of the stand didn't allow quite as much for the conversations, and we felt it got quite crowded around the stand. Whereas, as you can see, we've got a really long stand over there. We've got the opportunity to have a sofa, some chairs. We can have some relaxed conversations. We can explain things to members over a coffee or a cup of tea. And it's a lot more relaxed and casual, and it gives us that opportunity to really connect with the members and other stakeholders that we're meeting today. Sustainability is actually a really key issue in the industry. So we want, as a membership body and an organisation within accounting, we want to sort of lead the way as well and do what we can to be sustainable. So that was one key thing. Certainly in terms of the fact that we're often attending events like these, the fact that we can reuse it as well is obviously a benefit. But I would say it was a real key part of that, the fact that it's so good in terms of sustainability. I've been working with my colleague Emily, who leads on the event side. I know she's had a lot of really, really good meetings. She's had a lot of support. And from her point of view, it's just been something that she's really enjoyed being a part of, really enjoyed working with you guys, and obviously the end result is one that we're all really, really happy with.